Hello friends, welcome to Chefy Mums and Zed. Today I'm going to show you a quick chicken stir fry recipe. So let's get started. Okay guys, so for ingredients for this chicken stir fry, we will need chicken breast, which I have cut across on a grain on a slant, and I have taken big pieces. So this is about 450 to 500 grams of chicken. For sauces, we would need some dark soy sauce, some plain white vinegar, some rice vinegar, some fish sauce that's optional, and I have taken some oyster sauce. For vegetables, I have taken all these veggies, but you can add or subtract whatever vegetables you like. So I have taken some red onions, which I've cut into big dices, and I've tried to separate each piece. Then I have taken some bell peppers, red and yellow, some broccoli, some ginger, garlic, which I have roughly chopped, and some bok choy, carrots and mushrooms. For thickening, we will need some cornstarch, some salt to taste, and some sugar to balance the saltiness of your sauces. Now step 1, we need to marinate our chicken. Now this process is very important to keep your chicken from drying out and also to keep it nice and juicy. So for that, we will add some cornstarch. So I'm taking about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, which also will help in thickening your sauces. A splash of vinegar that helps in tenderizing it, and about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Now give that a good mix and leave it aside for good 10 minutes. Now next step is to make our sauce base, which is for the stir fry. So first I will take about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in a bowl. To that I will add just a light pinch of salt. Now remember, these sauces are very salty already, so you just want to add a very tiny amount. To that I will add my 2 tablespoons of sugar, some dark soy, that's about 2 tablespoons here, and some rice vinegar. Now give it a good mix and set it aside. Now if you don't want to add sugar into this base sauce, then you can just add honey instead to make it more healthy. Okay guys, we are going to start making our stir fry now. Now the rule of thumb for any stir fry is to have a very big wok, or if you don't have a wok, then use a very wide pan, and the heat has to be very high. Now I have put my heat on a very high flame, and then I have put some oil in my hot pan, and to that I will be adding my ginger, garlic and sauteing quickly. Once your ginger garlic has sauteed, it hardly takes 30 seconds. Now next up, your onions. Just toss it quickly. Then you add your carrots and broccoli. Next we will add our mushrooms, bell peppers and bok choy. Our veggies have sauteed nicely. Now if you have a wider wok, then you can just simply push your veggies on a side and then put your chicken in. But since I'm using a big amount of chicken, you want to make sure that you have scattered them nicely on the hot surface rather than putting them together, which will eventually lead to steaming, which we don't want in a stir fry. So what I'm going to do here, I will quickly transfer my sauteed veggies onto this plate that I had used earlier, and then use the same hot wok to saute my chicken and then mix the veggies in quickly later after. A little bit of olive oil here, but if you have a sesame oil, you can add that. It's really gives nice flavor to your stir fry. Now I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up for 30 seconds, and then I will add my chicken. Now our pan is hot. Make sure you scatter your chicken nicely so it seals off and doesn't steam together. Now once you lay your chicken into your pan, don't be tempted to stir it quite quickly. Just let the magic happen into the pan itself. It will give a nice sear mark on your meat at the end, at the bottom, and then you can just turn it over. Now here I've used chicken, but you can also use beef or lamb, whatever your choice of meat is. Okay, now guys, I have flipped the chicken once, and you can see it's got nice browning around it. Now our chicken is 80% cooked. At this stage, we will add our veggies back into the pot. 2 drops of fish sauce. If you don't like fish sauce, you can completely eliminate this one. And then our stir fry sauce. Now the cornstarch that we added into the chicken's marination will help in thickening this beautiful stir fry, and then we are ready to serve it once it's all nice and glossy.